Organic fertilizers. Are they safe to use in your garden? Are the contents in them safe for your plants, for you to eat the fruit right off of the plants in the garden? That's what we're going to talk about in today's video. What's up guys? Cassie here from Grace Grown Farm. Today I am going to fertilize our peach tree. We got our peach tree about a year ago. I got it for Mother's Day. It was dormant when I planted it. It is full of leaves and peaches now, and we are going to fertilize it for the first time ever. I am going to add the fertilizer in and talk about what's in the fertilizer, why it's recommended and safe and actually organic, and what method you should be using for fertilizing your trees. This one is safe for fruit and citrus. And before I get started today and get fertilizing, everything that I talk about, including the fertilizer, will be linked down below in the description box. Be sure to check that out and stay. All right, before we get into the ingredients behind this organic and natural fertilizer, I'm going to put on my gloves and prepare the space. I don't always wear gloves while gardening, but when working with fertilizers that have animal products in them and manure items, I definitely recommend wearing gloves. Not to mention the fertilizer doesn't smell that great, and I don't want my hands smelling like that all day. So to prepare my space, I'm first going to move all of the mulch out of the way and then start by weeding just a little bit so that I can get to the bare soil. Here is what the fertilizer looks like. So you'll notice that it is a granular fertilizer, and I really love this fertilizer because it's made up of natural ingredients, which I'm about to cover, but it also provides a slow release of nutrients to the soil. So some synthetic fertilizers really aim to feed the plant, whereas this organic fertilizer aims to feed the soil, which promotes more long-term health and sustainability for the soil, which in turn promotes health of the plant. And that is one of the main methods behind organic gardening that I really love. Now let's talk about the ingredients. There are 4 main ingredients in this fertilizer. One is Biozome, and really just think of this as a healthy bacteria, kind of like a probiotic. So it is really essential for the plant growth, and it helps your garden actually resist disease, insects, and drought. So if you're not able to water as much, this actually helps that. The second ingredient is bone meal. So this is a rich natural source of phosphorus and calcium that promotes blooms, fruit, and root growth, which is obviously essential to establishing a healthy plant. The next ingredient is feather meal, and this is a rich natural source of nitrogen, and this promotes greener leaves and overall plant growth. And finally, there is processed manure, which is high in nitrogen, calcium, sulfur, phosphorus, and potassium, plus organic matter to improve the soil condition. So these are some of the reasons why I love this organic and natural fertilizer by Jobes. And again, it'll be linked down in the description below. And as far as instruction, here is an overlay of what Jobes Organics recommends. That comes on the back of every single bag that you purchased. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, the fertilizer will be linked below in the description. I highly recommend utilizing an organic option over something like Miracle-Gro. And again, hope you guys enjoyed watching. Be sure to subscribe. And if you want to keep on watching and learning more from us here at Grace Grown Farm, click this video here on the right.